Assalamualaikum badimulu ngamu be kontong adunal kontong la hani di anal badim malum sude mancam kungku jangkite ya UDP Political Bureau YouTube channel di ngamin sote ali wala mun badim mati munta Musa Sedi Islamo Musa Sedi la ala yamaroto anala kuma kamuta be min be kapam ko demola ane United Democratic Party demola hani be momo be follow kan isi subscribe ya like ya share banam
Badingolu Albealo Neko, His Excellency Honorable Hussein Dabo, inshallah tomorrow by this time he will be in Gambia. Alama Omari, I will America Cairo, I futa Gambia Cairo, another delegation or more. For the past 2 months, he has been crisscrossing different parts of the world in Europe and America. Converging fund for the United Democratic Party from the citizens. Citizens that feel that in that country we need to salvage the country from the bunch of criminals. So His Excellency Honorable Hussein Dabo and his team has been in Europe here and in America trying to accumulate funds so that the United Democratic Party, they could have at least something to start with their political campaign and to sell the political agenda, the manifesto of United Democratic Party to the Gambian people, both home and diaspora. So, what dalilo wole en sambananjang, bao ngajele minnene manke police laftaka woleke. But because UDP is a law-abiding political party, Brother Lamin Daumbe Kondonabak, UDP is a law-abiding political party, amanke konka silale, silang kunte, lafta banko le marala, andu nga fil ko, nintel nga banko mara, tilimbaliya bit stop la wo banko kan. Oto mfamolo nyanta kela ambassador leti. And the UDP has always been an ambassador of peace. Nga police la pamito jele, ye pamito min issue to United Democratic Party kan. Yagu chambe kontrona bag. Manglanu yu bahaba. Ye pamito min issue to United Democratic Party kan. The police that's supposed to protect the citizens of the Gambia are the very institution trying to provoke the citizens of the Gambia. Because, muno, go, and take an example of them always. If you give me a peasant, a container dun theater room or kongatanga peasant to operate, what do you expect? Do you expect that peasant to come alive? I would kill the peasant. Because it's not my job. Yaje doku foya di doku no lala. Bar niman lela londola ye tale ye keje ye ibe kala joranoti. Ibe jora yamanya damale kala. Keta jata isa mbe kondon. Ibe joram ma ibe doku ibe kala doku joram wati. So the Gambia Police Force, na Gambia Police Force Millo, very ethical. And on sign, we have very ethical police officers in that institution. But the heads are the problem. Santon Kol, milmuila alfaluti, wallon problem wati. So police, ikoye pamito mi isu UDP kan, wolom nyintiko United Democratic Party iko wala executive the whole Gambia pour katela itella Alpha Bendum Airport iko e mo takti ye wala allow wala beduna airport ko. Airport is a public place. Airport is a public place. Hani atrako ite Max Miral itele la fita tamala kata tubabu ni la family is 50 people ibe la fita na le dan na airport you have right pour la family of 50 ibe na airport because airport nena ma fo moy ko there is a limitation of people to come and welcome or to come and see of ila loved one. Airport never say that. But the Gambia Police Force parte bar coming ka fale nyami, we have very ethical police officers. Minulia Lonko, they are seasoned police officers. These people are very respectful police officers. But the head of the police, Deputy Inspector General of Police, yeta operation, yeta CMC. Nyumu police Minulia Lonko, they are not serving the Gambian people. They are only serving the presidency. Mbenga Demba Soje Jane during the time of Jammeh, what he has done, I'm for TRRC. So, this Momodu Sow and in Party Jallo, they are not even police officers. What happens sometimes, Nimol Findida, Gambia police, Amanka go drop out all the Malakata Gambia police. You have very intelligent people in that Gambia police force, but Munati Nema elevate no because of the bad leadership, member police. Because you alone they are smart, a karanta is a palazzo marano, and we be palazzo sambala with impartiality, it be fair the molu da maulu tema. Iteleke kali, mobe police or police, you have an attestation inside your file, me alonko, you swore, because you will serve the Gambian people without fear or favor, ill will or affection. Police will be so sign Nipate Jallo because he is the operation commander. Abanka kala qualification na ya tina yake operation commander. There are 1,000 times people who are more qualified. They can teach Pate Jallo even how to be a police officer. Pate bi ni kaiko I correct voluntary statement or safi wala cautionary statement. It is going to be difficult for him because Hamalo. His TSG. Yes, brother Segulan, happy Sunday. So, Niko UDP be more tatile sambala airport until after me for UDP nkole. Until we are law abiding people. Lafta bankolela. So mbaitan la banku dingul lalako. We are ambassadors of Gambia. Everybody supposed to be your own ambassador. No condition. Batinandla itelebentele pusla to commit something. No. Mbe UDP be danila. Yes, hello brother Omar Sana. Mr. Omar Baro mbe kondon. Mbe UDP be danila. Nalu futata airport bundato al dangi. Ale alfalu bula yedum konoto. Nini His Excellency Honorable Usenu Dabo nada fo bundato. Alfal ba hano vala kafo bulule. Kafo sa dandang fala kordato pipeline. Yemimbe plan. Sama albe paramilitary dolu jela along the road. Yata dolu ibe dolu bitindila anti-crime with tear gas or riot gears ibe ole dilela. Riot gears because ilaftaka fitino la nyini UDP la. The same police officer it lay for presidential advisor jam because presidential advisor lay have ako police le kay ko UDP ko leo police fulol bunki dola ako police na fay. So what they want is that ko ilaftale be UDP think no la nyame because they are very unqualified, very unprofessional. Ya lon ko ite UDP ban no la. But Purka UDP non di molu nyakoto while they are the wolf in a sheep clothing police officers. I respect that job. It's a noble job. Police doko is a very noble job. But I totally ite mimba kekan yake nyadile. Police keba jama military tata policiala. Ibukeje nyabo kuto jamalu muneka ke dolbita watchman ya nyino la hotel olto dol katasi indianol la perewol la koto indianol be use la fonte la generals nyanda kala wala nyaba. Go to Senegal and see their ex-generals. They have facilities, they have opportunity. Go to Nigeria, see their generals. Tom, salam alaikum. How is England? But what is different in Gambia? Because selective justice walekatama. Even though Dulalto, they would not give the job to somebody who merit the job, but they will give the job to somebody who dogo for them, not by merit. There are seasoned police officers who can be very good qualified police operational commander, not party. The same party, atele afo janun 3 years jot na la wato, ko 3 years jot nan kolu, wal mu UDP kolleti. The same party, ala audio leaked. The same party, wo NPP kolu fintita janne ko, biri munati ne party bonni paramilitary, itel they have to fight for party, pour party muruna paramilitary, pour kanaka UDP kolu tajirantea. The same party, wole kam Momodu Sabali Sambano aka sindi paramilitary. Kala nyantolu tinya. So it's a compensation. It's a compensation. So Ndebe Mimfola, Inspector General of Police here, he is the head. Whatever happened in that department, he will be the one to be blamed. Andum inim police or mirube do kola imalla fila kete je opposition out. They don't want you to have a good name. They don't want you to have a good name in that position. But ima hanyilede because ila closeness to the family of the president. Ni wonte Momodu Sow, Pate Jallo, Demba Sow, wol nenete la fila purite na yete kete wol nyato Inspector General of Police. Yamaja Ablai Sanya, biring ay kibaro soto koy bakala Interior Minister. Aborital Dulal leto kaitandiko yeta ye president of Dana te lafta tula Inspector General of Police yale ama lafta la minister kujamal lebe kering bari bebi na Senegal le ni ndeko nasi se la ko mbensingo lola kan because nasi sentenga lonne bari ni pajara nata pajara mi man nasi se lon debe paraso mi do pajara sida pajara ba singo wulindi la bero nyin kanede ngam mi mabo tapeo duma pajara ba bondi lalde oto nalbe do kola alalla do ko kenin tilingola nin horomo nin bunya pajara. How was your fundraising in Sweden last night? UDP fundraising jag mbe kondo na bag. So oto ntelu UDP dingolu alingata kuluo lua bunya ngata airport oto ni yatara ko UDP nkol famolte baw senu malafinu minna baw senu lafta minna ay nanam ay tala bungo kono ay na UDP nkol kumandi manjay biroto ani UDP nkol ay na la silo foye bari baw senu tante a fanti. Bausenu don't make the decision in UDP. The UDP make the decision nga bunya fai. Okay. Maybe same thing ke messenger to after send number kia yam jag. So Bausenu is a man miya lonko amuka kibir. And he's a man who always obeys the laws of the country. He respects the laws of that country. Sain Pate Jallo, Italon Operation Commander. Lafite NPP Minko, ilafta purieta baro bennu birabotanang New York. Iko purieta bennu lafte la permito jela and the condition of the permit muna nema fo fanale ko NPP de mo tati wala bitala kabaro benno airport are they above the law ngoyela on professionalism jele what is the country code jag what is the country code it's a country code in Kenya ngoya jele alkama nyami albuka tonya tamanda la do ko kono you want to be famous itemu green snake leti in a green grass ni public fintita ike fam fintindi to talk you are the most unprofessional police officer in the Gambia police force because human police don't go from but because of tribal sentiment okay thank you Jag thanks thank you because of tribal sentiment because of tribal sentiment. So why if Afro UDP supposed to go Purkatela president Alpha Bendum with 30 people while airport is a public place for everyone? And moreover, tomorrow Sunday is not going to be a busy day at the airport. How many flights will they land at the airport at 5 o'clock? Niatra airport lo milia longo, you go to Heathrow. You go to Brussels. You go to Frankfurt. Minuria Longo, every minute flight will land, flight will go. Flight will land, flight will go. Flight will land, flight will go. Gambia Airport or Mia Longo, sometimes Al Casino Hanesi around Frankfurt because flight Bukana is dormant. Ntaka doko ke airport over. Gambia Airport, na doko ke jere. Sanjifula. Molga sino siran kono le fonkodo ida departure fonkodo wala arrival foi ka kirindi flight bugana if you do not show ethics in your job it respects you baralbe wole nyama it's like look at the CDS has been spotted in C4 during a political tournament NPP sponsored tournament. CDS was there. The CDS, Mia Longo, he is the most undecorated army commander. Oh, okay. Oh, very good. That's a good news. CDS, because of Dauda Jallo, I coupled Natis Sifo, Prusifo Kasifo, Diningol Nene. Dauda Jallo has not been productive to the people of Sifo. He has not been supportive. But Munatina, okay, because I faniale from Gambia Bay about the constitution, Amaluta, Amalabe Minkela Ko, Mbatungata Kopo Landi Sifo, so that I can show to the president that ko ndefananga political base sotaile Sifo. That Dauda Jallo is not helping the people of Sifo. Sifo ko lan kamano sanjendal. Ndeka mano sam minna. UDP kon ka sam minna al kasa wala. Dauda Jallo aka jojelle alawans balbe dunna biya hayna ay bunjangol lelo altembe sirin Sifo albe patarinje. Munatna ala faye ko al dingol sponsor. Woleta University. Isaja alfanal dingol se keno minister bari kan nene ñu kopola ina $15,000 ka lewo kon $15,000 yalla no mu Dauda Jallo la tili ama ala tili killing nata ta Dakar ala tili killing wala tambida ayo min base pen ala tili killing nata ta Dakar o kodo I will be the altel si fonko la be don la be fonko kel mi ya lonko he is very unethical. Dauda Jallo is a political appointee because Gambia minister they are political appointee mambala wala but CDS kamune nyinije director general of GRA kamune nyinije Yankuba Daw mafo de la jula man na feala de salin be ko don na baki arama ne be ko don mawofu ngo munan na Yankuba Daw GRA yalon is it kunun or kununko on my Facebook nga Yankuba Dabo ning QTV mintam QTV Mohammed Jah yalo nga bela kumo fale jan. He was on the list of Barrow iko mil yalon ko pour Barrow is a Barrow replace and they will defend Barrow. Yankuba Dabo was in the list for presidency pour NPP. Bari ko Barrow lo ko nying is more of UDP. Kana ta ko abe nyimbeke he is more of UDP. Amad Bawol leyaning yo dundi Barrow to lokon. But Yankuba Dabo is destroying that country very mercilessly. But baby now, whatever you brush under the carpet, it will come one day to the light. This is why Ibe Kumulni Kamulu Be Kuntula to see His Excellency Honorable Ousainou Darboe at the helm of the Gambia, because he is the one who is going to salvage that country without fear or favor, ill will or affection. That man, Nko, Alingam Famalu Yininka Jumalu Ousainou Darboe. He is sincere. He is a man with ethics. He has moral. He is contempt. He is contempt. So UDP Nkolu, Alita Kaira, Aliesi Banta, Aliedna Executive for Buleta Airport, they receive Ba Ousainou, Inimba Ousainou, Alia la Contano Yitandi, Alia la Kuolke, Alia Samba for pipeline. Kaira and Kaira. They will try to provoke you. Ali itno, ala camera lu use, ala mobile lu charge. Police sold any brutality, ala video, alia natal, alia futaglim social media. Let us make them famous. We have to make life miserable for these people. Ni tita na inata Europe, any part of Europe, ni je daoda ngate noma. Ila hotel Bundal Tolomba, ijiata daoda ngate noma ngaitandiko. They are the enablers of dictator. So ala baraka bake, viva UDP, Ousainou mbe duale bake fo ebona America Kaira, yefuta Gambia Kaira, inila setan kol mili be plan ka be murule faul le ngoka. Altata manka mankundal, alta jale malu subo domo je ko ngoy kam malole sambayna sawo sandata je altali o domo dron. This country we want to save it. Mbenga dua ala ma mari adama baroka na mruna no banjun. Atay tum manka mankunda ay nyina na banko la president ya ko famala to sirin je. We are done with this man. Allah baraka bakinal tentu nalje.